Hi. This video will teach everyone, easy and fast, how to set up any HP printer in Windows 10. First thing to do, go to HP official site and click Software and Drivers. Then click on Printer and write the name of your printer. Download Universal Print Driver. In case you can't find your driver, write down in the comment section and I will help you. Now extract the installer. Click on Yes and select the traditional mode. Now click Next and select the first option. Next again and your printer should be there. Select the first option and then click Next. Now your printer is installing. My printer is not wireless, but it's connected to the network through IP address. In the next videos I will show you another ways to install your printer. As you can see, my printer is showed now in Windows. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.